How do you make your team meetings more engaging and more productive? Well, that starts by doing three things before the meeting even begins. The first thing you want to do is to set the intention and be clear about who you invite and making sure that they understand the purpose and what they need to do to prepare for the meeting before it starts. The second thing is to be absolutely intentional about providing the first 5 or 10 minutes as an opportunity for connection for your people. Whether remote or in person, connection is vital in terms of building the trust and establishing the candid and courageous comments that you want to see occur in those meetings. And finally, you want to make sure that you give people a chance to celebrate their progress. Or if not celebrating progress, make sure that you take a moment to emphasize the importance of a recent effort or behavior that highlights as an example of the values you want to emphasize. 3 things you can do to make your meetings far more effective and productive. The first is intention. The second, connection. And the third is celebration. I'm Sean Glaze. That's what effective leaders do.